Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, wherever you at. So today is the day. Put the exhaust on the Q50. Let's get it. Well, I would like to start the day with jacking the car off. Pause. That's major pause. I would like to start off with, getting this car up in the air. Let's do it. Man, I'm trying to jack up this car. Fucking some work. Put in that work. Put in work. Dirt. Not yet. All right. Let's see what we got. Shit. All right. Looks like. Let's check it out. Okay. Got this covered up. Oh. Sheesh. That's fucking huge. That's fucking huge. Hold on. All right. Jeez Louise. That can fit my whole fucking knuckle in there. That's crazy. I don't have a big hand, but I'm just saying. That's crazy. Burnt tip. Nice. All right, rev it. Oh, it's not. I got enough torque. Let's see. Oh, yeah. How the fuck this one was the easiest one out of all of them? It's crazy. All right. Well, anywho, this is an easy job. Sort of, kind of need some, muscle. Anyway, long story short, gotta take off these 4 bolts right here, located right here, here. That's a 14 millimeter. You can use a deep socket, short socket, whatever to get around that nut. But other than that, we're on the glory. You can pause it. All right, so, oh, my body. So happens when y'all get old. I don't like being in a video. Anyway, so we took the muffler. We took the muffler off. Now we have the pipes exposed. Obviously, we have our hardware. As you can see right here. This is a kind of a problem because it's not loose. But obviously, we're gonna. Where's my rubber mallet? You see my rubber mallet? Let me see. I got it right here. Hopefully, this rubber mallet does its thing. Let's see. Let's see. Well, we got some work to do, fellas. Be right back. Oh.
Is the exhaust hot or nothing?
Yeah, that's also hot as fuck. All right, so I would say simple, but only hard part was breaking the nuts off the studs. But like I said, just these 4 nuts right here, 14 mil, and making sure these things go inside the hanger, which they fit perfectly. And I will like to say I got these from eBay. So just a muffler delete with burnt tips. Pretty simple, pretty easy, but this is how it looks. Let's get it. Yeah, go ahead. Give it one. One more. Yes, sir.
My name is Blackstar. I'll surpass the power of the god.
Extra